Puwet lang, puwet. Kaya guys, kapag may mga problema kayo, huwag kayong mahiya mag-share sa amin kasi safe kayo sa amin.
Yeah, you'll be
safe.
Yes, thank you so much for that wonderful song.
Hello, babe.
Hi, Horai boys. Thank you for giving us the Horai. Hi, Horai boys.
No, I mean, how do you read?
Horai boys. Okay, simula today, Horai boys. Hi, Horai boys. Thank you for giving us.
It was a year marked by challenges that tested my resilience like never before. Resilience. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Kasi kita ko yung message. Tapos, resilience.
Resilience. Oh my God.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
resilience.
I'm sorry. I'm not a pro.
Yeah, it's fine. Filipino
Resilience.
is your mother tongue.
Yeah,
We
like never
understand.
before.
Yeah, and this is
Right dogs.
Alright.
Life and social anxiety kept me.
Kasi yung resilience, di ko
Yeah, I'm sorry.
We're really sorry, Ate Jessa.
Social anxiety kept me isolated. The world felt distant and overwhelming. I questioned.
Uy, hindi na.
Teka.
Wait, warm up tayo. Wait lang, Ate Jessa. Wait, warm up lang kami ulit.
We're not supposed to laugh.
Yeah. It's a very serious matter, but it's because...
Please do not
Please
misunderstand.
excuse
We're
me.
not laughing at your story. We really
Yeah.
appreciate that. We're laughing at the resilience.
Yeah,
it's the resilience for
I'm
me.
sorry.
But it's fine. We can do it.
Fighting.
You can do it.
I questioned my worth and wondered if I would ever break free from the grip of these emotions. A glimmer of hope appeared when I landed a job. It was a daunting step, but I forced myself to face the world. Slowly, yeah, that's right. I began to rebuild my shattered confidence. Yet, the journey was far from smooth. There were days filled with a self-doubt when I wanted to retreat to my haven. Then came the unexpected, a pageant. Wow, pageant. My team wanted me to represent them. The idea filled me with dread. How could I, a shy and insecure person of our style, step into the spotlight? But I decided to take a leap of faith. August 24 marked the beginning of an incredible journey. The photo shoot was nerve-wracking, but as I stood in front of the camera, a strange sense of empowerment washed over me. It was as if I was rediscovering a part of myself I had forgotten. From the day until the pageant competition on our company's anniversary, I underwent a remarkable transformation. Even though I only placed first runner-up. Wow!
First runner-up! Humble.
First one of is crazy.
Yeah, that's like almost champion.
Wow.
That's literally almost.
That's crazy. The experience was invaluable. It taught me the power of believing in myself and the importance of stepping outside my comfort zone. I realized that even in the darkest hours, there is strength to be found, and that is light. My journey has taught me that it's okay to struggle, to feel lost and to be afraid. But it's how we face those challenges, that's right, that truly define us. By choosing courage over comfort, I found a resilience I never knew I possess. Yeah! Wow naman! You know? May ano ba?
Meron pa. May ending pa. May ending.
Okay. I hope my story inspire young listeners to never give up on their dreams. Yeah. Dreamers don't die.
Oh!
Yeah, true.
Remember, it's okay to stumble, but it's how you rise. Tama?
Yes.
That matters. Yeah. With perseverance, support, and belief in yourself, you can overcome any obstacle.
Maja.
Yeah. Again, I hope my story resonates with you and your listeners. This is your Ate Selen, and I'm sending you all positive vibes and support. Thank you so much, Ate Selen. Fighting! See you when I see you again. Boys, balik ulit kayo sa Cebu.
Wow!
Hope so.
Grabe, first place!
Yeah, grabe no?
Nag-first place naman pala siya kahit
Biruin mo dumaan siya sa depression tapos
natalo niya yun,
Natalo
nag-first
niya
place
dahil
siya.
sa-
Strong.
Ate Salen.
Parang nakikita ko sa kanya yung parang nangyari sa akin nung Dream Maker, right?
Yeah. Mahirap ang pinagdaanan.
Yeah, mahirap pinagdaanan. Same kami ng pinagdaanan. Tapos na-overcome ko 'yon dahil sa anong tawag doon? Sa
Resilience.
Yeah.
Resilience.
Saka sa passion din. Dedication. Yeah. So, ang advice ko sa'yo, Ate Selen, is magpatuloy ka lang sa mga ginagawa mo at siyempre, supportahan mo rin yung sarili mo para maging successful ka one day. Yeah.
Yun nga yung message niya, believe in
Yeah,
yourself
believe in
lang.
yourself.
And
Tama.
tuloy-tuloy na yun. Hindi na magiging mahirap para sa'yo kasi unti-unting mas magiging madali pag naniwala ka talaga sa sarili mo. Kahit nahihirapan, dapat maniniwala ka sa sarili mo. Kaya mo.
Yeah.
Para kahit mahirap, makakaahon ka pa rin. Yeah. And your song your recommendation is
Ang naisip ko is Permission to Dance by BTS.
yeah.
Kasi naisip ko yung yung lyrics doon. You don't need to worry when... Yeah.
Message mo yung para sa kanya.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, now this is Permission to Dance by BTS. Something Umak.
Dream.
Just like, oh.
Let's go!
When you're